What if the most powerful invention in human history is also the most dangerous? Artificial intelligence is learning faster than we ever expected, and we might not be ready. We think we control AI. We built it, we trained it, we gave it data. But here's the truth. AI doesn't think like humans. It calculates, it optimizes. It chooses the most efficient outcome, not the most moral one. And that's where things get dangerous. Right now, AI can clone voices, create fake videos, generate images of events that never happened. Imagine a fake speech from a world leader, a fake war announcement, a fake financial collapse. In seconds, panic could spread across the world, and most people wouldn't know it's fake. Millions of jobs are at risk. Writers, designers, programmers, even doctors. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for salary. It doesn't strike. And it's improving every single day. The question is no longer, will AI replace jobs? It's, how many? Now imagine AI controlling weapons, drones that decide who is a threat, machines that choose targets. No hesitation, no emotion, just code. When machines make life or death decisions, who is responsible? The programmer, the company, or the machine? The real fear isn't robots taking over the world. It's something quieter. AI systems becoming so complex that even their creators don't fully understand them. If an advanced AI starts making decisions beyond human comprehension, can we stop it? Or will we simply react? Too late. Artificial intelligence is not evil, but it is powerful, and power without control has changed the course of history before. The dark side of AI isn't science fiction. It's already here. The only question is, will we control it, or will it control us?